right, so this is my 4th gen Toyota 4Runner 2006 V6. Should have went with the V8, but I'm very happy with the V6 still because I'm able to save gas, which is a big benefit. Bought this probably like 6 months ago. I had a Tacoma before, gave it to my dad, and decided to build a 4Runner because it was more practical for me to carry all my stuff in here instead of going through the camper and all that. And I finally built it, so I put 285 open country mud terrain tires, and I did lock off-road wheels with Bilstein 5100s. A lot of people look at my car and they'll be like, there's no way that your car's lifted that high with 5100s. But what made it lift up really high is the spindle. I did a spindle lift which adds 4 inches. So in the front's 4 inches. The shocks itself is another 2-3 inches because we're trying to level it out with the rear, which is 4 inches. So now it's not a stink bug, now it's leveled. I forgot what springs I have in the back, but yeah, they're like super heavy duty, and it's so like over time when it starts sagging down, it's not sagging like a SoCal lift. It still stays leveled, which is perfect. One of my really good buddies, basically a brother, is the one that helped me build it. He built trophy trucks, and he already had a couple of 4Runners, and he knew exactly what parts to get and stuff to build it. So we went that route. The only thing I had to cut is this front fender and the rear right there, and that's just a plastic part. That's not a chop mount where, what's it called, a cab mount chop where they cut the metal. So good benefit right there. Oh yeah, and then I'm fully tinted. It's just preference for me. I love to keep all my camera gear safe.